Yeah, what's up, guys? Oh man, I can't believe I sold this like here. I'm so fucking retarded. It's up. Well, it's only up 20. It's up like 20%. It's not like actually though. This is. I should have just kept my Zillow. Did you guys see? They aborted their launch. Yeah, I was wondering if. I was thinking about. Okay, well, there's like. It's just on Twitter right now, but there's a lot of reports about how all the Middle Eastern countries are trying to shift everything to China after after the Israel terrorist attacks. Yeah, I reduced Rocket Lab. Anyway, I don't know if that's the reason for. I'm pretty sure the reason for China going is just the same as the US. Maybe there's gonna be a trade on that note at some point. Futu though? Oh yeah, nice. No new news, right? Just. Is this just a broker or do they do loans too? Maybe they do loans. Is QFin doing anything? What's the other China fintech? I got my news on Tencent, uh, but yeah, that makes sense. It does appear to be China Day. Yeah, Tiger. If you want to buy like yin, today would be a good day. I don't know if I want to use up buying power on this though. But yeah, this is a great chart. One of the best charts. It's just slow. Should we call it like that or no? It's oh, look at this chop vest though. But you gotta remember they are communist. What they've been doing over the last I don't know 10 or so years is reducing the power of capital in the country significantly. I think like the total wealth held by billionaires has dropped in half, which is a good thing. But for stocks, I don't know. Well, I did look at it earlier. I didn't follow it. It's not part of the whole fucking it's not the same thing as Summit, right? The lung cancer shit. Which 17th? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh, oops. No, 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 no. What's the news? It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh yeah, it's a great chart actually. The thing with with biotechs is a lot of the time I'm not really sure. It's like yeah, I just don't understand it as much. So yeah, the chart is nice. I'm not really that good at trading biotechs in general, I would say. Unless I can see a clear theme. And even then, you know, but like, yeah, its chart is great. Because I used to think there was some correlation between things like, let's say, like oncology, genomics, right? I don't really think there is. You can just go to your watch lists. You can favorite them, but you can only favorite so many before you run out of room. But there's a setup I like. Let me show you guys. I don't think I can trade this, but this is a I think this is oh, it already triggered. It's too thin, but I really like this. I don't no, actually, you know what? I think that's just hindsight bias because I traded it before, but never mind. You know what I realized? I traded this before too. I traded this on this day, and I was going to the airport because I was coming as my parents' place for Thanksgiving. So I sold it like midday here. I just remember my dad was driving me to the airport and I just like watching it go up. What else was going on that I liked? Coher, Coherent. Carvana, you kind of had to buy at that level, I guess. Well, this ended up being really nice. Also had a great weekly. Yeah, Oscar was a great setup. I just passed on it, but I really liked the chart. It was an upgrade here. Why does everyone like PSNL so much? I talked about this yesterday. Just go to yesterday's stream. It's just way too thin. I mean, I don't let that deter you from trying it, but there's zero chance I ever trade something like that. I really, even when my account was smaller, I still hated those names, dude. Yeah, Roblox looks good. It just wait for the level. It's gonna find sellers soon, probably. Or already did. It found sellers here, so maybe about Tesla. And I cut Nova, 'cause, well, yeah. I sold like a third of my remaining Rocket Lab too, 'cause of the fucking aborted launch. So I'm down to like less than 20% of my account on the. I was gonna buy more Labu and Dipshit, but I didn't. I'm gonna wait. I was thinking about buying some MicroStrategy, but I think you can wait because Bitcoin needs over 64s, 65, honestly. Yeah, it's just we'll see. Like breakouts, it's just not acting that great. Thought about buying Lunar at $7. I guess I should have, or not seven. Oh, it didn't hit seven. That's why I didn't buy it. 750s, yeah, maybe some more. Yeah, hourly MAs. I'm trying to save some capital for oh what? This came back. I'm trying to save some capital. I think some of these are gonna set up maybe in a week. Wolf looks like it's gonna set up. I don't really like this setup at all, but it's not bad. Weekly is pretty good. Yeah, I was thinking about buying some MicroStrategy. I just didn't do it. I don't think you need to rush into crypto names. Like Bitcoin is gonna find sellers here. It just will, okay? Probably needs another higher low. Although this is a data center play, where the fuck? I don't know. It's one of the miners I'm watching though, of course. I don't know, man. Just not really. I just don't think you need to rush into it. That's all I'm saying. And MicroStrategy was gonna take up too much margin anyway, so I was like, but yeah. If you saw yesterday, overnight session, I was watching Bitcoin. Could have bought MSTX, this thing for day trade up to 15%. There's no need to rush into it. I'm gonna buy this off the 10-day though. I think maybe. I just think there's better opportunities like Clover maybe in a few days. I think it needs to tap the it needs to find more buyers here. Oh, this found sellers again. God damn it. This needs more time. Oh yeah, this is definitely carrying my account today. I have more than 30% in Affirm, Tesla, Redfin, and First Solar. So yeah, quite long. Yeah, it is. First Solar sucks, but I also kind of have to be in it. You just have to not watch P&L. I swear to God. Oh shit, what the fuck is this thing? Yeah. Oh, someone else launched another MSTR. Oh, this is 2x. This is only 1.75x. Just trying to outdo each other. I mean, I don't think I would have bought more Affirm, no. I don't really trust this too much. Uh, this was the buy here, I think. The last chance I would have bought it. Yeah, dude, TradingView is very customizable. Or visually it is. Scans wise, it's absolutely not. What is the news on this, man? What the fuck? Yeah, yeah, you do. I mean, yeah, I'm not defending. I like, it's a love-hate relationship, dude. Okay, I don't know why this is a big deal. Yeah, TOS I also have a bunch of issues with. If TC2K had crypto, I would use TC2K. But TOS has really good scanning if you're into that thing, which I don't really care for. Dude, I lost I lost a ring yesterday. I'm so pissed. I hate losing jewelry because I lose jewelry all the fucking time. And Ah, this is one of my favorite rings. Dude, you guys know this fucking Tommy Richmond artist? When the fuck did he get so big? Is it just because of TikTok? It's just because of TikTok, right? All his songs, he sings the same in every single fucking song, though. No, I don't have a. No, it's not See, that's the problem. It's like I don't wear it on my pinky. I wear it on my ring and middle finger. But even then, it's like the ring falls off, and then I don't remember. And then I don't know. I just all of a sudden I look at my hand and it's gone. Dude, do you ever try to put on a cock ring? It fucking hurts, dude. But I saw someone wearing one at a Kit Kat in Berlin, though. Man was just walking around with his junk out. All right, all right. We're looking a little better on Sava. This is a stock for a lot of you guys. Recycling waste into virgin polymer. Looks like it was a SPAC. Dude, this is such an untradeable stock. What the fuck? What does this do again? Yeah, I tried cores on day one. I think I sold it pretty quickly. Where's cores? Yeah, I got shook out below VWAP. Actually, I bought it like here, and I didn't want to take a loss on it, so I just cut it. Look at this, dude. Fuck this stock. I don't care for this. This also has, I mean, it's pretty good. It's got like big volume here, but I really hate this stock because the stock is like just so many people are in this and watching this. I just don't like that. It feels crowded. What do you think? This is day one? Okay. There's not really like there's not really a clean range on this. It's just you just got this level, right? So it's probably gonna go higher, I guess. Oh wow, this actually went. Did this have news or no? How come? How come, dude? Are you really asking me how come? It's just market fucking does shit, dude. Oh yeah? I guess if you use 10 minutes. This is why I like to use the 30-minute chart. There's no asking why though. The market just does shit. And the market's gonna shake you out and then it's gonna go. This happens all the time, dude. The market will fake you out and then it'll sell off. It'll bait you in and it'll sell off hard. Really, dude? Duolingo? Interesting. Duolingo is so useless though. As you know, I guarantee you there's no one that's used Duolingo to actually learn a language. Yeah, dude, you got baited and then you got your stops eaten for liquidity and then you refuse to chase today, so you're not in. This happens to everyone. Don't be so surprised. Market is a big fucking bitch. But there were some good signs yesterday. So SPY violated lows, but IWM did not. This looks nasty, but it didn't violate lows either. But the next day it did. You could just not trade on Fed day. Why am I even looking at these stocks? Yeah, it's just slow. But Spotify is. I fucking hate Spotify, dude. Spotify is just got too much control over everyone's music now. Everyone's listening to the same shit. And obviously they're robbing artists, but all that aside, it's just really bad for music. I use Spotify, but still. I don't really like this. I mean, it's going up, but why not? If you're gonna trade something this slow, why not just wait for Roblox? I think that counts as a breakout. Oh man, should have bought this. It's just kind of slow. 5 days in a channel. This is so good. These are so good. They're so rare though. This is also good. Yeah, for you small accounts, this I don't really love it though, but yeah, I don't love it. I mean, it's thin. Aside from that though, yeah, Tesla's good. Tesla, I think, was the easy trade, but that's just me. We're almost there. It's gonna, let's see what happens here. Where's Futu? Did you guys trade this in 2001? Do you remember this? Yeah, here. This is one of the first flags I ever traded. This one. They dropped an offering the very next day. I learned the hard way. And did it again. Such a piece of shit. So it's up 16%. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm not sure when the last time I got caught. I remember, I don't think it's the last time, but I got caught in this. Is this offering. Yeah. What was the news that day anyway? Oh, they had, oh God, this fucking reverse split bullshit. But it looks like they're losing the space race, huh? It was a good trading stock though in 2021 or 2020. Oh no, 21 too, yeah. Jesus Christ, it's split so many times. Excuse me? Oh my God, I hate this. It's like I already complained about this bug. The news doesn't you can't see the news until like I don't know, do I have to refresh this shit? What was the other one they just mentioned? Uh Cathedra CBTTF? I'll add it though. I'm so happy this is dying. This is such a piece of shit, dude. Ooh. I'd rather crypto's moving. Um, what's going on? Why is the? I guess this is just too thin. Oh no, that's this is Pepe to Ether. That's right. What's Mother doing? Okay, it's just Bitcoin. Well, you know what? I'll do my. I'll do a scan. Oh, I guess I should have bought this. Fuck. Well, yeah, Bitcoin is a risk asset. Bitcoin's not like some reserve like gold, right? Only retards believe that. Like crypto in general is like just another big scam. So liquidity, it's an overflow for excess liquidity. That's all it is. Come on, man, what the fuck? This is why I should have held on to Zillow, because it's catching up right now. And no one's willing to buy Redfin up here until it gets a 13 or the 10-day catches up probably. This is setting up. I just use gainer scans, dude. No, I'm not gonna go through every gainer. It's already just watch the stream. But I don't do any fancy scans. All I filter out is $5 million volume. So, but I mean that's not my volume cutoff. That's just a scan. I usually don't like to trade things that are under $20 million volume. But with 5 million, you can catch some things on liquidity events, right? Because it'll trade like $5 million volume in the first 30 minutes, and then it should be liquid the rest of the day. Yeah, Tesla will reject here. Look at it. It's a clear level, clear as day. 260s to 270s, 265 maybe. And then I'll need more time, I think. And look what we rejected here last. Probably gonna not sell any until 260. Dude, I still can't believe this fucking candle. I lost a decent amount of money. Look, I'll show you. This is all I have on. Because unfortunately, because TradingView is scans are kind of ass, it can't do this. Otherwise, I would change this to a 20 or $25 million average dollar volume scan for the last 20 days. That's what I would use if I could, but I can't. So I make do with this. I'm not even gonna look at this. That's such a piece of dog shit stuff. Yeah, man, I've written to them about it. You should write to them about it too. Should complain. The more people that complain, the better. Of course I do prep. Or do you think you can just show up and make money randomly? What the fuck is this? Yeah, it's just really fucking stupid because you can write your own. They have this whole thing where you can write. They have a whole stupid ass language where you can write your own indicators, but they don't let you do anything for the scanners. Like, are you shitting me? Yeah, I mean, I do a lot of moving around during market hours, but generally speaking, I do like I review end of day. I review pre-market. Um, you know, over the weekend I review things. But like right now, if I have a good grasp of what's going on in the market, I don't need to do too much. Um, but like the last 3 weeks, I've been watching the market pretty closely, so I haven't had to do any like deep dives on like the weekend. But if I'm like if I go on vacation, right, I'll need to do a more in-depth dive and see what the trends are, what the themes are, etc. But everyone should know what's going on right now, right? What the dominant narrative is. Yeah, I might do that. I might do a prep an off off market hour stream. I'd done it before. I'm mostly like doing the same thing though. I'm just like flipping through charts, reading things. Dude, this is so funny. Yeah, exactly. But if you're away, you got to do a little bit of a deeper dive. Um, but yeah, right now you should be positioned pretty well, right? Or maybe not. Holy shit. Well, there should be some things set up. You can either do that or you can chase, right? But no, don't chase. Did this also get liquidated on? Yeah, now I remember this. What's gonna happen with this too? I've shorted these before. I just don't really do that anymore. But I've shorted like pets, dogs. Yeah, whatever. No, I saw this. It's a charging company. I mean, if you get scanned by these, you deserve to get scanned by these. It only takes 1 billion? No way. Yeah, I tend to avoid them now, but I traded like HKD before. I traded it here, I think. But there's no need for that. There's no need for that shit anymore. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, guys.